So the last thing we need to look at before we dive into working with Blender is how to customize the interface to our liking and how to save it for next projects. What I mean is you change some settings, you change the interface a little, and you save startup file, and whenever you open Blender it stays the same, it stays as you changed. Okay, so let's do that. Now actually you need to learn one more thing here, like how to divide the areas, how to create new areas, how to manage them. There is a little thing you need to know here. For example, if you come here, right, in the to the middle of this two areas, you have line, black line. You can come over here, and when the cursor turns into this two-headed cursor, I don't know, two-headed arrow or something like that, you can click, you can press right, you can right click on it, yeah, and you have different options. For example, a vertical split, horizontal split. You can join areas or swap areas. For example, if you swap, it swaps, right, the other way, you can see, and you can change it back. And if you want to join them, you can join these two areas together, and you can have only one. But if you want to create new, you can come over here to the corner, and when the cursor turns into a plus sign, you can click and drag down, and you will have a new window. If you want to close, you can close just like here. For example, if you want this area to be closed, you can come to the next area and go to the corner, and when the cursor turns to plus sign, you can click and drag up to, and you can see it changed to an arrow, and you can just release and close. Okay, so it's not very difficult, and we will change it to outliner. This way you can customize the interface a little, and you can save. Okay, now you have some vertical, horizontal split options. For example, vertical split, yeah, just like this, and you can just join areas now. Okay, now what I want to change and what I want to what I want to be saved every time when I open Blender. The first thing, let's come here and remove this extra area, tool settings, because we don't need it. And let's come here and toggle the window full screen. Whenever I open Blender, it stays full screen. Okay, and I want to have some add-ons turned on. For example, screencast, so that you can see what time. It's already turned on because I turned it on before. Screencast, and some other. You can turn on other things. No, not this one. Maybe Node Wrangler. It's also turned on. You will turn them on. Okay, and come here to System and turn on one of these things. Not none, CUDA or optics or something like that, or HIP if you have AMD graphics card. If you have graphics card, please turn this on, because your Blender can make use of your graphics card. If you don't, Blender will always use CPU whenever you render with cycles. It's very heavy and expensive, so you must turn on graphics card to take advantage of it. You can change a few other things here, and just you can come here and save preferences. Now what else I usually change? I change here. I change a lot of things, but in this case I am not going to change everything, because the most important thing here is to learn that you can save your changes for future use. Yeah, I always want to have my timeline, because you can animate materials too, right? This is it. And you can, if you want, you can change other things, and you can save. How you save it? Come to File, defaults, save starter file, save starter file again. Now it's saved. Now let's check it. I want to go out, don't save, and open Blender again. Now when you open, it is full screen and you don't have this extra bar here, and when you go to shading you have this change kept. Now this is it. One more thing, if you go to cycles, please change this device to GPU compute, okay? And let's save starter file one more time. Okay, now we're done. So this is it. Change whatever you want and save your starter file.